my channel. I am Cool Love and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. But before you get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also like this video and comment down below to tell me how you enjoyed this video. And this is like a little long of a video because I'm giving detail by detail how I created this look. So let's get into this video. So it was kind of difficult trying to film this clip because I was trying to show you how I bleach the hair. I'm applying it already with bleach already on the full, but I was trying to keep it in frame. And I really wanted y'all to see that part because I noticed in previous videos I don't stay in frame, so you guys can't see like what I'm actually doing. So I was trying to, you know, do it properly and also stay in frame. So if it looks like I'm struggling, I am struggling because listen, it is hard to film and also do what you're supposed to be doing correctly. So I apologize. I will get better with trying to show you guys how I do stuff in detail. I'm still learning this YouTube stuff, so forgive me. Girl, my bleach was way too thick. I was too lazy to go to the store to get more developer because I was trying to spread it out for me bleaching the hair and also bleaching the knots as well. So it's like kind of was the consistency that I needed for bleaching the knots, but not the actual hair. The actual hair, it could have been a little more thinned out for that. So that's probably why I was struggling too as well, trying to spread out the bleach, because I'm like, I don't struggle that much at all to apply bleach. But I mean, hey, that's what I get for being lazy. But it was raining, y'all. I didn't feel like going back in that rain. It was too much. I don't know why filming makes me like super nervous. Like I feel like I do my best work when I'm not filming, like I'm just doing things on my own. But it's like when I get in front of the camera, it's like I get so shy and just like forget all the things that I know. So I'm going to, you know, continue to get better at filming and also do things properly on camera so I can, you know, maybe somebody can learn from, you know, my technique or whatever like that. So I'm going to do better and try to think of a way to film and, you know, just relax and be in my zone. Woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's
there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
So I already applied 2 layers of glue on my, around my hairline. And I don't think I would ever do that again. Also, I don't think I would keep the lace on because I don't like that technique for me. I don't feel like it's beneficial because I had like a super hard time trying to cut it off and make it look as natural as possible. Although I did use the razor to do so, but it was just very tedious. You see in this clip, it's just not working out for me, and I don't like the way it was cutting for me. So I think I'm gonna just go back to just cutting the lace prior with my eyebrow razor. I still use that, but yeah, it's not for me. My installs turn out way better when I just cut it prior. Also, I used a lace tint spray on the lace, and I feel like that spray was too dark for my skin complexion, so it kind of like made the lace look darker. So I had to, as you see previous, I had to go over with some makeup to try to lighten it up a little bit so it wouldn't look so crazy. This clip irritates me because I have that one like straight piece like that I did not curl right, or I don't know, but it is annoying. Like, it's freaking annoying. I don't like it. But the curls turned out really pretty though. I really like it. I curled it prior before putting the flexi rods on there. The flexi rods was just to hold the curl. And this is the final look. I love how this turned out. It's so pretty. Like, I love the highlights in this. Like, it's not too much because, like, I am not, you know, a color girl yet. So I decided not to go too crazy with the color. So I feel like this is so pretty. And if y'all wondering like what wig company or where it's from, actually y'all, it is a sample of a wig company I am creating. Yes, so I'm so excited, y'all. Like, this is like my baby. This is mine. This is like my hair, and it's so pretty. It is 24 inches. So be on the lookout when I will actually present it to everyone on YouTube and on my social media platforms. But this is, yes, this is a sample. And I'm just so excited to be wearing my own brand and actually like styling it like so nice. So yes. So until next time, I'll see y'all in the next video.